How to upload content on Zoom. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you quick and easy and how you can upload content to Zoom. So simply open up Zoom first. Now here you can see you can join meeting, you can see share option, you can tap on share and you can tap on allow. And you will be able to enter sharing key or meeting ID to share to a Zoom room. However, here what I want to do is I want to upload. Now you won't be able to upload directly, you won't be able to upload media directly onto Zoom, right? You can't upload contents directly. Now if you head into docs, you can tap on plus icon there and tap on new doc and then proceed to upload a document here, create a document here and save it, right? Now what you can do is you can share files through the chat feature. So you can head into the chat feature and then you can share files, right? You can also add them to a whiteboard or add them to a Zoom document as I mentioned earlier. For in-meeting uploads, you can click chat, then the file icon and choose to upload from your computer or cloud storage like Google Drive or from your mobile. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.